Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. I'm at Costco Kobe. It is early in the morning, about 9:50 in the morning. It is very quiet, as you can see. Yes, it is very quiet. I'm sitting in the food court. There is an ATM machine. I came this morning to order a whole pizza, a pizza combo. It has pepperoni on it. By the way, do you see those long tubes? That is for the staff to send money to the office, either upstairs or in the back. Pretty efficient. I'm staying in the food court. I'm not going inside Costco to look around. They have a pharmacy and a hearing and eyeglass center. Customers are starting to come. Taking a look at the menu, you can order a hot dog combo, which comes with a drink for 180 yen. That is free refills. A whole pizza costs 1,580 yen. Clam chowder costs 350 yen. They give out these tags to customers to pick up their order. I'm number 86.
Customers to pick up the food. I'm number 86.
They have your typical Western condiments, mustard, ketchup, relish, onions and sauerkraut, and plastic cutlery, and way over there are the drink machines.
Over there are the drinks. It's ready.
I think they're going to call me soon. That looks like my pizza, sliced pizza. Yep, she's calling me. Take a look at this pizza. Now to use their saran wrap. Going home, bye.